In this video, we're gonna check what is the maximum camera zoom available on OPPO Find X9. So let's go ahead, let's switch to the photo mode. Now in here, the maximum zoom that we have is 120x, so really huge zoom available on this device. We have AI telescope apparently, at least this is what you could probably notice at the top over here. And what we're gonna do in addition to that is, of course, go to the video mode. We're gonna check the video mode. First, we're gonna use the 4K 120, and in here the maximum zoom that we have is 3x. If we switch to 60 frames per second, then we actually have 18 actually x available. And if we switch to 30, does it make any difference? I suppose no. Then we're gonna also switch to 1080p in order to see if that makes any difference, but no. So for video mode, the maximum zoom is 18x. For the photo mode, we can use up to 120x. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.